gonna hit. With your bald head.
You know what I need to do? I need to start putting music. I need to like find. Oh look, there's more shit falling off of this guy's truck. Oh, brother. That's the one like.
You go to your tax guy to get your tune done?
Yeah, he's good with his numbers.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What is he doing? What is that guy doing? What? SS. You're on the double hump coming.
Where I'm gonna park this trailer because last time was a weekend.
Yeah.
I guess that should be good there. Let's go.
Did he show you his bald head yet?
I got a bald head.
He got a bald head. So do I, but I ain't gonna let him show you.
No, God. God, it would be easier to get in if I lock myself out. At least.
What do you mean?
Like if I have to go through the trunk, the doors are locked, I can just reach.
Oh yeah, straight through the subwoofer.
Never mind.
All right, let's see how my cold starts are. Terrible. Heckin' freaking terrible. Ouch. Ouch, that hurts.
So we were having issues with the car building sporadic oil pressure. It was going from like standard oil pressure of 50 to 60 while going through the gears, and it would jump up to 140 for no reason. And we were chasing around different issues. Maybe my oil cooler was upside down, it was there in the middle. Possibly putting air through the system and running that and just compressing and doing weird stuff with the oil pressure. So we changed the filter a couple times to make sure that everything was healthy, the bearings were good to go. Chased around all the loopholes that we could think of, and we bypassed the oil cooler to make sure that's not the problem. So the filter's hanging off the front end, and finally it didn't really do anything, which was very frustrating. We wasted about an hour and a half of this troubleshooting and contacting a lot of people, mainly Jason and Ray. And then finally, I ended up just wiggling the oil pressure sensor connector, and that was a problem. After an hour and a half, it's a brand new sensor, brand new pigtail Deutsch connector, and the connection was blown out, being inconsistent, causing it to jump around. So after an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, I think, now we're starting the tuning process. we're having issues with all the vacuum lines melting, and they're not just melting and making holes, but they're melting inside the fittings. So now we're having to replace melted line inside of the metal fittings, like on the wastegate, while I'm burning my hands. And we've been here for 2 hours, way too long. Just
you haven't even gone into the E85 yet.
Yeah, pretty frustrating because all the stuff I ordered to be working well. I had this issue with rubber lines before, and now I'm still having the same issues with higher quality lines, but they're Amazon. Anyways, that's it for now. The car sounds sick.
Thanks to you. It does sound really good. Yo, this.
So it made 381, 366 on 19 pounds, and it tapers off.
I need a picture of the graph.
Let's see. 396, 289. That can't be right. Super busy with everything, and fuck. It's next morning. I'm here at work, about to go inside. Figured I'd put something together for the outro because I didn't film anything. We had a long day, had a lot of issues we ended up sorting out, but we ran out of time and didn't get to do a flex fuel tune like I wanted, so I can run E85 and be a little safer and make a little more power if I wanted to on like track days. But that's okay, I'll do it at a later date. So for the time being, it's making 400 for horsepower and 372 or so for torque, which is totally fine. It tapers off a little bit at the top end, mainly because the intake manifold is restrictive at that power level, and I knew that going into this. I'm not looking for a whole bunch of horsepower, really just want it for response and bottom end power, which is what's most important to me. So I'm gonna make another video soon at some point in time, doing like a build breakdown maybe, or something similar to that, to just go over exactly what's done to the engine, how it's been running since, and maybe the whole car, if it's you know, worth it. If anybody cares to see something like that, I'd be totally down to do it. But after this, we're gonna get the car ready. Dan and I are going down to Summer Jam, which is an event at Pat's Acres in Oregon. So we're gonna get our cars ready for that. It's in like 2 or 3 days, and then that will be the next video. We'll have some GoPro footage, inside driving, tandem, and it'll be a lot of fun. So thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, like, comment down below.